Hey everyone, welcome back to Skills Exceed, your go-to channel for easy Excel tips and tricks. In today's video, we're going to tackle an important topic, removing duplicates in Excel. Whether you're cleaning up data for a report, organizing a list, or just making sure your data is clean, duplicates can cause confusion and errors. Also, knowing how to remove duplicates is a very common question that comes up in job interviews, especially for roles involving data analysis or office work. Employers often test for these Excel skills, so learning this will definitely give you an edge. And as a bonus, I'll show you a neat trick to keep only the duplicates and remove everything else. So, let's dive in. First, let's start with how to remove duplicates from your data. As you can see, we have a simple list. To get rid of duplicates, the first step is to select your data. You can do this by either clicking and dragging over the cells you want to select, or if you want to select the entire table, simply press Ctrl+A. Now, to visually identify the duplicates before removing them, you can use Excel's conditional formatting feature. This is a great way to highlight duplicate entries so you can see exactly what you're working with. Navigate to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting. Click on Conditional Formatting, then select Highlight Cells Rules, and finally choose Duplicate Values. As you can see, the duplicate values are now highlighted. This makes it much easier to review before removing anything. Now, let's remove those duplicates. Head over to the Data tab at the top and look for the Remove Duplicates option. Click on Remove Duplicates. When you click on Remove Duplicates, a box will appear that allows you to choose which columns you want Excel to check for duplicates. If you only want to remove duplicates based on one column, you can select that specific column. For example, if you only care about removing duplicates in the Customer Key column, you can deselect all others. But if you want to check all the columns, leave them all selected. Once you click OK, Excel will automatically remove all the duplicates, leaving only the unique values behind. It's that simple. And knowing this basic trick could really help you stand out in job interviews, especially for positions where Excel skills are tested. Employers love candidates who can handle data efficiently. Now let's see how to keep only the duplicates values. Now, what if you want to do the opposite? Keep only the duplicates and remove everything else. Let me show you how. First, select the data you want to work with, just like we did before. Now, to keep only the duplicates, we'll use Excel's filter feature. Click on Filter by Color and select No Fill. Excel will only select the rows which are unique. Select and delete all the selected rows. Now you'll see that we have only the duplicate values, and that's all for today. You've now learned two powerful tricks: how to clean up your Excel sheet by removing duplicates, and how to keep only the duplicates if needed. These skills are not just useful for organizing data, but can also give you an advantage in job interviews when you're asked about Excel tasks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Skills Exceed for more easy Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.